Why do cats ignore expensive toys and go nuts over a cardboard box? Fun fact, it's not just a quirky habit, but boxes actually lowers a cat's stress level and mimics a hidden spaces they'd use in the wild. Study shows that confined spaces help regulate felines' body temperature, reduce anxiety, and make them feel safe and in control. Next time your cats ignore the $60 toy and goes for the Amazon box, now you know why. Subscribe for more weird science behind your pet's weirdest habits.
Young man, what are you doing?
What are you doing?